Are you looking for the best sublimation printer? In this video, we will look at some of the 3 best printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Liene 4x6-inch photo printer. If you're looking for a great pick to take with you on the go, this compact model will be a great fit. It also offers wireless connectivity to increase convenience for the user. This is an easy unit to travel with. You'll be able to enjoy a convenient, portable printer when you choose this model. It can go just about anywhere with you and is small enough to fit into luggage or a large purse. This portability makes it perfect for photographers who need results on the go. Unfortunately, this is a relatively small model that might not be able to fulfill your requirements. If you're looking for more oversized prints, this is not going to be the right fit for your needs. Since it uses thermal dye sublimation, you can count on this printer to always provide vivid color. The process means that ink penetrates deeply, allowing for better color replication. A final layer is applied that provides a protectant against scratching and fading in your prints. It also adds a little bit of waterproofing. The user-friendly design means that anybody will be able to use it with ease. It's also resistant to typical issues like paper jams. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR4520 printer. You'll have access to an app this brand created to connect with their printer models. This makes it a far more accessible option than some competing models. It also has multiple options for connectivity. When you choose this model, you'll have access to an excellent app to print quickly from your smart device. Several features packed into this printer make it a perfect option for busy households, such as AirPrint and Mopria print service. Unfortunately, this printer is not known for producing the most vibrant color. If you're looking for a super bright reproduction of color, then this model will not be a good fit for your needs. The connectivity technology includes a USB port to connect to your computer directly. If you have iOS, Android, Windows 10 Mobile, or Fire OS devices, you'll also be able to connect. This gives a massive range of available options for printing. No matter your device, you should be able to use this model. This model will also work with Alexa for a few different voice commands. You can ask Alexa to discover your printer, for example. Number 3. Workforce WF7710 printer. You won't have to worry about constantly refilling the paper tray with this model since it has one that can hold up to 250 pages at a time. It also is highly multifunctional and will fulfill many roles in your household. If you have several different jobs your printer needs to accomplish, this is a great option for your household. This is an all-in-one option that will scan, fax, copy, and print for you. You'll even be able to create borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches in size. This is done using precision core technology. While this is an excellent choice for many reasons, it also has flaws. Unfortunately, the ink capacity is relatively low, and it might run out of ink in the middle of long, ink-rich printing jobs. The 4.3-inch touchscreen display makes this an easy-to-use option. With the high-capacity paper tray, you won't have to worry about constantly replenishing the supply. It will hold up to 250 sheets of paper at a time. This is more than enough to get through your day-to-day needs, especially if it's for a personal household. You'll appreciate the inclusion of automatic two-sided printing, especially since this removes the hassle of manually printing dual-sided documents.